Welcome back and thank you so much for staying with us. It's now time for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Boosting Innovation and Growth in Entrepreneurial Ecosystems BIGEE has gotten more funding. The European Union has pumped an additional €7 million into the program. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark spoke at the grant signing on Wednesday.
Financing is the oxygen of business, and we envision a future where this sector has the oxygen that it needs to survive and to thrive and to flourish. Now, we are here today celebrating the €7 million non-reimbursable grant from the European Union to this BIGEE program. Now, that's a big word, non-reimbursable grant. What it means is that we don't have to pay the money back. And that's €7 million, 8.1 million US dollars, over 1.2 billion Jamaican dollars. And we're very grateful to the European Union for this support.
Dr. Clark says how the private sector is viewed needs to be reformed with a focus on innovation.
Business flourish, or 10 businesses flourish, or 50 businesses flourish is not sufficient. What we have to do is to reform an entire ecosystem and address an ecosystem in its entirety. And that is what the BIGEE program is geared to doing, to addressing the innovation ecosystem and putting innovation at the center of business. This program underscores the government's commitment to promoting, financing, and investing in innovation.
The €7 million is in addition to the US $25 million provided by the Inter-American Development Bank IDB to the program. The BIGEE program is being implemented by the Development Bank of Jamaica, TVJ. Some news in the economy. It costs manufacturers more to produce goods in the month of April. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the price for inputs increased by 1.6% compared to March. The main contributor to this increase was a 6.3% jump in the cost of fuel. The point-to-point index for the manufacturing industry, that is April 2021 to April 2022, moved up by 23.4%. This was driven by a 71% uptick in refined petroleum products. Let's head to the markets. The U.S. currency is being sold for an average $155.03. $121.87 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $194.90 for the pound, while it's costing an average $168.10 for the euro. The JSE index advanced by 693 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 77 points. Among today's winners were Diamond Trading, Portland JSX, JMMB Group 5.75% cumulative redeemable preference shares, CAC 2000 and Community and Workers of Jamaica deferred shares, while on the losing side were MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, JMMB Group 7.25% shares, Everything Fresh, 138 Student Living Jamaica, and Paramount Trading Jamaica. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Herman will have our regional and international roundup right after the break.